great pride and honor for me to introduce to you a visionary leader whose unwavering dedication and commitment have been instrumental in shaping the journey of Mr. and Miss Philippine Eagles 2024. Please join me and welcome again our esteemed chairman of Mr. and Miss Philippine Eagles 2024, Eagle Governor Francis Levy Contigo.
Thank you, Kuya Gov JM Llanes. Again, I would like to thank everybody for coming and helping us out. Napaka-importante na talagang kami ay matulungan dahil sa isang adhikain na talagang pinaniniwalaan. No? Lagi nilang sinasabi, uy, ang advokasyon na to para malabanan ang malnutrisyon, para mas matalino raw at ang mga Pilipino ay hindi na maging bandak at maging matangkad na. Pero, sabi niya ni Kuya Senator Joey Hina at ang aming mahal na Kuya LP, exempted ako doon. No? Naman na lang, talaga. So anyway, no, lagi sa sinasabi ko, no, it's about time that we stop reacting. When you react, napakadali lang gawin nun. It's just a mere reaction. But responding is a different part. Kasi when you respond, meron kang ginagawa, meron kang tinutugunan. Kapag ikaw ay isang tao who can respond, who is able to respond, it makes you a responsible person. Sa mga ganitong advokasya, we don't need people who just react. We need people like you who responds. Tumugon. Maraming salamat sa pagtugon. At sana hindi lang matapos itong araw na to, ay patuloy nyo kaming tulungan, patuloy kayong tumugon din sa isang adhikain na talagang may kabuluhan. So this is a history in the making para rin sa amin kasi this is the first time that we will be doing the Mr. and Miss Philippine Eagles. Of course, with the direction, aggressiveness, at talaga vision ng aming mahal na national president. So, again, thank you and I welcome everybody.